English Junior, November 1982. Ladies and gentlemen, I am meeting you here for the first time after I became the Prime Minister. But you are not new to me. I know you already as friends and well-wishers of India. Our two countries have been friends for a long time and we will continue to be friends in the future also. I would like to thank your country for all the help and assistance given in the matter of development of industry in our country. Your country has given liberal financial help from time to time. I have every hope that this friendly relationship between our two countries will develop further in the coming years. During the last few years, the food situation has been a matter of concern for us as well as for our friends outside. The difficulties of the last few months are now beginning to disappear. We are looking forward to good crops in many parts of the country. We are also taking all necessary steps in order to increase the food production. As you may be aware, this increase in food production can be brought about only through better irrigation, more fertilizers, improved seeds and modern methods. I would like to tell you in this connection that we are paying special attention on all these matters. As a matter of fact, the progress achieved by us in food production since independence has been considerable. In spite of this progress, the fact remains that the average income of an Indian is very low. We cannot therefore rest content with the rate of our progress. We have to increase our efforts, and in this connection, the help and cooperation of other countries can make a real contribution. In order to solve the food problem successfully, our biggest objective at the present time would be to increase our production both in agricultural and industrial sectors. We are now preparing our fourth five-year plan. I am very happy to state that our government is getting all the help and cooperation from the people. Our people are hard working. I must thank them for their support to the government. Although we are passing through a difficult period, we are determined to go ahead and see that the common man gets the basic necessities of life. I can assure you that we will do our best to help the weaker sections of the community. Letter dated 15th November 1980 from the manager Gopal and Company, Mumbai, to the proprietor, National Stores, Chennai. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 12th instant, but we regret to learn from you that the goods supplied by us have not reached you till now. We wish to inform you that the goods were dispatched by us on the 2nd and that a receipt from you was filed on the 6th. From this, it is clear that the goods were received at your office. We therefore request you to be good enough to make necessary enquiries and send us a telegram if the goods have not been found. If not, we shall make necessary arrangements to send another parcel without any further delay. We regret very much for the inconvenience caused. We shall take further action on hearing from you in the matter, assuring you of our best services at all times. Yours faithfully,